Everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about weather sealing. But first, if you're new to the channel or you just haven't taken the opportunity to subscribe yet, now's the time. Click that little red subscribe button down below here and then ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Alrighty, folks, so weather sealing. What I'm talking about, now's the time since we're heading into fall. Go around your house. Check around all the windows and doors and stuff. Make sure, there's nothing that needs to be repaired. The windows sometimes during the summertime, the caulking will crack and you'll start getting gaps in there and stuff where rainwater will get in there and it'll cause you a real problem. So you want to go around and check your windows, check your door around your door jambs, check around dryer vents, everything else. Make sure everything is still sealed up nice and tight and looking good. If it's not, get out that caulking gun, or get some of that weather stripping stuff if you need to put some more around the door to keep the cold breeze out during the wintertime. But now's the time to do a quick inspection of the house. Check, make sure everything's weather tight, and if it's not, seal it up. All right? And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.